Make a great choice today with
the 2026 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, front-wheel drive, trip computer, clock, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, perimeter alarm. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.